The activities of the body organs are controlled by the wheel-like energy centers called chakras. Meditating on these energy centers in deep relaxation with colors and Reiki will bring healing effects on both the body and mind. The relaxation of the body, mind and emotions is called total relaxation or deep relaxation. Now we will start the Reiki meditation. Close your eyes. Take a slow and deep breath. Just listen the sounds. Don't reject them. Don't cling on to them either. Just let them be there. Now you are relaxing your senses. To relax the mind, take a slow and deep breath. Then breathe in through nose and breathe out through mouth 3 times. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. To help you to enter into a deeper level of consciousness, I will count from 10 to 1. For every descending number, you will feel going deeper and deeper. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Feel going deeper and deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now your mind is completely relaxed. Continue to breathe slowly and deeply. Now we will start body relaxation. Relax your right foot and ankle. Relax your right leg. Relax the right knee. Relax the right thigh. Relax the hip. Now your right lower limb from hip to toe is completely relaxed. Relax the left foot and ankle. Relax the left leg. Relax the left knee. Relax your left thigh. Relax the hip. Now the left lower limb from hip to toe is completely relaxed. Now relax the buttocks. Relax the genitals. Relax your back muscles. Relax your abdomen. Feel the organs of the abdomen getting relaxed. The stomach, the liver on the right, the spleen on the left, the bowels in the center, the kidneys at the back. Now the total abdomen with all the organs is completely relaxed. Enjoy the relaxation. Relax the chest. Feel the heart and the lungs getting relaxed. Now relax your right shoulder. Feel the relaxation of the arm. Relax your right elbow. Relax your forearm. Relax the wrist. Relax the hand and fingers. Now the right upper limb from shoulder to fingers is completely relaxed. Now relax the left shoulder. Relax the left arm. Relax the left elbow. Relax the left forearm. Relax the left wrist. Relax the left hand and fingers. Now the left upper limb from shoulder to fingers is completely relaxed. Relax the neck muscles. Relax the face muscles. Feel the relaxation. Relax the scalp muscles. Now your entire body from head to toe is completely relaxed. All the muscles, all the organs from head to toe are completely relaxed. Imagine, feel and enjoy the relaxation. Trust your mind. In this level of consciousness, repeat mentally, I have full faith in Reiki. Reiki will energize and heal me effectively. Now we will start the centering of chakras. Sit comfortably. Back slightly forward so that the spine is perfectly balanced and relaxed. The ears, shoulders and hips should fall in one line. Now begin to start breathing long, slow and deep breaths. Breathe continuously and deeply. Now imagine that a beautiful golden glowing ball is floating just above the top of your head. This ball is the golden glowing ball of your conscious awareness. Continue to breathe. When you exhale, begin to see the golden glowing ball float gently down through the top of your head and blend with the lovely violet glowing wheel of the crown chakra. The violet rays spreading to the nervous system energize the organs of the upper brain and right eye. Mentally repeat, I am divinely guided and inspired. I am safe. Continue breathing deeply. Now, as you begin to exhale, see the golden glowing ball gently separating from the center of your spiritual consciousness and floating slowly downward to the center right behind your brow, the beautiful indigo glowing center of intuition, your third eye. Notice the golden ball as it melts and becomes one with the beautiful glowing wheel of your brow chakra. Feel the breath filling it with the light of your intuitive consciousness and then sparking and flowing out into the surrounding environment. Continue to breathe. Feel the pituitary, hypothalamus, lower parts of the brain, spine, face muscles, ears, nose, mouth and the left eye are energized with this golden indigo rays. Mentally repeat, I am united and balanced with all aspects of life. Continue deep breathing. As you exhale, see the golden ball begin to gently separate from the indigo glowing chakra and descend slowly down towards the throat into the lovely light blue glowing chakra. See the two merging into one, filling your communication center with the energy of your breath. As you exhale, send the light and love from your communication center towards those around you. Feel the golden blue rays spreading to the throat, upper part of the lungs, bronchioles and vocal apparatus. Keep on taking long, slow, deep breaths. As you exhale, see the golden ball fill with the light and energy of your breath. Mentally repeat, I express myself freely and joyfully. Now, while you exhale, see the golden ball again beginning to separate and float slowly and gently down into the heart chakra, the lovely emerald glowing center of your heart. See the golden ball beginning to merge with the lovely emerald green wheel, filling your heart with the consciousness of your love. Feel the golden rays spreading into the thymus, heart, blood, lower parts of the lungs, upper parts of the liver and arms. Mentally repeat, my heart beats to the rhythm of love. Continue breathing deeply. When you inhale, feel the breath fill your heart with the light and energy of love. As you exhale, see the golden ball separating and floating slowly down into the solar plexus, your center of power and wisdom. See the golden ball merging with the brilliant yellow glowing chakra of solar plexus within the rib cage. Feel the yellow light filling the entire digestive system, the pancreas, the liver, the gallbladder, the intestine, the spleen. Mentally repeat, I bring peace to every aspect of my life. Continue breathing regularly. Relax. As you exhale, see the golden ball slowly beginning to separate and float gently down into the lovely orange chakra, the sacral plexus, 3 fingers width below the navel. See it filling the energy center with the golden light. With each warm breath, feel your belly, the emotional center, filling with the golden orange light. As you exhale, feel the emotions of love sparkle their lovely orange light all around you. Feel the peace, the calmness, and the golden orange light spreading into all the organs of your reproductive system. Mentally repeat, I create a new life with new rules that totally support me. Continue to take slow and deep breaths. As you exhale, see the golden ball begin to float down and gradually merge with the beautiful red root chakra, the seat of the serpent power, the Kundalini Shakti. Feel the warmth of the beautiful golden red light beginning to flow into the entire pelvic area, filling it with the light of love and abundance. With each breath, feel the energy of prosperity and abundance fill your entire body, starting in the root chakra and radiating out from there, energizing the excretory system, the kidneys, adrenals, bladder, spine, and the lower limbs. As you exhale, see the golden ball gently separating from the root chakra and float back upward towards the hara, returning to the beautiful orange glowing light of your emotional center, the sacral plexus. Feel totally at peace. Feel the orange golden ball filling your entire being with the emotion of love. As you exhale, feel all the disruptive emotions fading away. Each time you inhale, feel more fully grounded. Contemplate the peace and calm in your mind. As you relax in this calm feeling, imagine yourself inside the white light, the aura. Feel the vibrations of the white light. Feel your aura is expanded. This white light is protecting you fully. With this divine energy, you try to heal yourself and others. Place your hands in front of you, your palms facing outward. Imagine yourself in front of your hands. Now, pass the Reiki energy from your palms to the visual imagination of yourself. Heal your friends, your family in the similar manner. Heal all the needy. Forgive yourself. Forgive others. Now, with this Reiki energy, we will thank, bless, and energize the 5 elements which are responsible for the entire universe. Imagine the earth in front of your hands. Thank the earth. Bless the earth. Energize the earth with Reiki energy. Now, imagine water in front of your hands. Thank the water. Bless the water. And energize the water with Reiki energy. Imagine the fire in front of your hands. Thank the fire. Bless the fire. And energize the fire with Reiki energy. Now, imagine the air in front of your hands. Thank the air. Bless the air and energize the air with Reiki energy. Imagine the sky in front of your hands. Thank the space, the sun, the moon, the stars, the clouds, all the planets. Bless them and energize with Reiki energy. Now, imagine all the gods in front of your hands. Thank them. Offer your prayers with Reiki. Imagine all the goddesses in front of your hands. Thank them. Offer your prayers with Reiki energy. Imagine the Reiki angels in front of your hands. Thank them. Offer your prayers with Reiki. Now, feel the flow of energy. You are fully energized with this divine Reiki energy. Feel the flow. Feel the vibrations. Thank the energy. Thank yourself. And slowly try to come out of the session. Slowly lift your hands and place the palms over your eyes. When you feel comfortable, stretch your hands and legs. Slowly open your eyes. You are fully energized with this Reiki energy. Practice this meditation regularly to heal yourself and others.